Hey guys, I'm Kristen Coleman, realtor with Georgia Perimeter Homes. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I have, yeah, cool. Yeah, okay. Yes. Should I say cut? Cut, sorry. Cut. Am I doing okay? Cut. Interesting, cut.
Just take it deeper.
Range. Okay, so. Cut. 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 Oh, cut. Cut. What's the word for it? Structural. Where aren't visible. Cut. Actually, and I can talk on this. I'm dealing with that right now. Cut. And once you get cut, no, cut that. Cut. Okay, cut. So we will cut. Oh, I just realized I had a food spot. Cut. Well, yeah, but all the edits and cuts and everything. Well, or hold on, cut. Or no, cut that. Okay, wait, hold on, cut that. Cut. So, okay, hold on. Let me think in my own words now. A few of the cut. I don't like that. Chat with us in cut that.